Hey Pioneers, this is the machine shoulder press machine. So when you're setting this machine for your height, you're gonna have to move the seat up and down. We want the handles to be around our armpit level, if not slightly above. So I'll sit down, and this is clearly too low for me. So I'm gonna move the seat lower so it's more comfortable for me. To adjust the weight so that it's appropriate for me, I can use the pin to reset the weight, and then I can move these to adjust by 5-count intervals. They clap up here. Keep your head and back against the mat and your feet flat on the floor. Press up and control it on the way back down. You have 2 grip options: neutral, so palms facing each other, or pronated, palms facing away from you. This will work all the muscles in your shoulder, so that includes front and posterior deltoids, so in the back, as well as some muscles that feel like they're upper back over here. And that's the machine shoulder press.